Hey guys, and happy Sunday. So today what I have going on is we had a storm the last 2 days. Friday and Saturday it rained. Friday we had a huge storm closer to the afternoon. About 10 a.m. it started raining on Friday, and it actually kept on raining until Saturday morning. Stopped a little bit, and then so what I did Friday when it was raining really lightly, let me turn this around so you can see. I took the plastic off the hoop houses and our vegetables, but now I'm in fear that maybe they got too much rain. I just had to stake these 4 up right here because they got too much rain and they were laying over. So now I'm going to put the plastic back on because tomorrow I don't want them to get any more rain, honestly. I don't want them to be flooded out and lose all the nutrients that we put in these guys. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll come back and show you. Okay guys, so we got all the plastic back on, and I'm glad because some of our smaller crop, we might have done a little damage. So we need to make sure that they dry out for a little bit and come back and revisit them to make sure that they will pop up. Yeah, looks like they got a little too much rain. So, and it's not really hard to do once they're at that still fragile state. The heaviness of the water will lay them down, and a lot of times they'll spring back up. So we'll see. We'll take our chances, and hopefully this will help them dry out a little bit. We just don't want them to get any more rain. 2 days is plenty for our little seedlings. So alright, let me turn this around so you guys can see what we got going on. There we go. We got them all covered up, and you can kind of see inside there a lot of them are laying down. So it's probably a good thing that we are covering them up, because we don't want them to get any more water. Yep. And we had to stake all the tomatoes this time because the water just kind of laid them over a little bit. But that's okay. We'll let them dry out for a little bit, and tomorrow we'll come back. So this next week it's supposed to be more humid, so that should give them a chance to bounce back and dry out a little bit. So yeah, yeah, definitely needed the water, and the rainwater is really the best for plants. That there's nutrients in rainwater, the NPK that you just can't get from regular well water or city water. So I guess it's kind of a good thing and a bad thing. Too much water is a terrible thing, but good rainwater is healthy, and so they should be okay. We'll see though. But alright, and what else we got going on, guys, is check this baby out. Look at that. Yep, another pepper about to turn. And I got another one there. And look at these black beauties, guys. Aren't they just pretty? They really are a really very beautiful pepper. And I have another little one over here. Let me show you. So I have another baby one right there. They're so pretty. I just love the color. And then we have peppers here, and 2 more right there. So late peppers, guys. Who would have thunk it, right? Yeah. And you guys want to see how sad the tomatoes look? Yeah, they're almost done. Yeah, see, I have 1 tomato on there, and I have a couple Romas left. Not really a whole lot, but these tomato plants did me right this year, guys. Yeah. I got tons and tons of tomatoes, and even though they came on late, that's okay. Definitely well welcomed. So, alright. And Emery got a branch that fell down from the storm. There's quite a few big ones. Let me show you. It's from this rotten tree up here. See that? Yeah, there's let me show them some woodpecker holes in there. So He's chewing on it now. He claimed it. But that's okay. Alright. And what else we got going on? So yesterday, you guys know that we went to the casino, Jumers. And it was basically near the Quad Cities. So had a great time. Yeah, with Stacy's parents. And yeah, we actually won some money. And today was our Menards trip day, right? And oh my gosh, guys, I love Menards. I really do. I think I have a Menards obsession, but it's great. Let me show you what we got. So we got 2 more rolls of 50 feet of fence so that we can finish the backyard right there. Oh yeah. And I got some wood to make the last gate, so I'm excited. Yep. Very, very, very excited about finishing the backyard. Man, it's nothing more like a peace of mind when your animals are all corralled up and you really don't have to worry about them getting out or where they're at or they got close to the road, you know. It really is peace of mind. So alright, so shut up the shed right there. And it's gloomy today. It's definitely gonna rain again. So, but that's okay. Oh, and we got 2 bags of egg layer for the girls. Trying to stock up for a little fall weather here. They don't usually go through a 50-pound bag. It takes them about 3 months, so, and about 2 bags, so that's almost 6 months. So yeah, they don't really, we give them a lot of like garden scraps and stuff, fresh vegetables, that kind of thing, grass. Yeah, so I'm hoping they'll get to roam a little bit once we get the yard fenced in, so they can be a little free ranging. So I'm hoping, that's the plan anyway. So, and then that corner over there with the little short fence, we are going to put a new section in over there too, so that the chickens cannot jump over that. They can. I mean, I realize that chickens can fly, but I think if there's plenty for them to roam around in, I think they'll be more inept to stay in their own yard. It's kind of the plan anyway. Now, whether or not that becomes true or not is foreseen, but unforeseen. So yeah, but I'm having a really great day, guys. We had so much fun yesterday at the casino with Stacy's parents and had a great time. We got to eat crab legs, and so yeah, wonderful time. So alright guys, it's time to play with the boy. I'm gonna throw him some sticks and get him all nice and wore out, and we're gonna go in and watch some football. Yeah, and watch some football today. So, oh, and I got some branches to pick up. Yeah, I got some big ones in the front yard, so maybe I'll wait till tomorrow morning because I got to go to the bank. But I will get up tomorrow. I think we'll do that tomorrow. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you all had a wonderful Sunday. We had a great weekend so far. And so yeah, can't wait to finish this back portion of the fence behind me. It's going to be definitely a peace of mind, guys. So yeah, I'm excited. Totally excited about that. So alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you like, subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the thumbs up button, greatly appreciate it, and y'all have a great Sunday. Yes, thank you.